This right here is black garlic. It's made by slow roasting garlic for 3 to 4 weeks, and the result is a sweet caramel-like flavor. And you can add it to almost anything, like my new peanut butter tempeh ramen. That is one of the tastiest things I've ever eaten. First, I soak dried porcini mushrooms to use later in the broth. Then I get to work on the tempeh. It's torn into small pieces, then mixed with some corn flour and sesame oil and thrown in a hot oven for about 25 minutes to get nice and crispy. For the tempeh sauce, I combine grated ginger, miso paste, maple syrup, and rice vinegar. That's stirred into the tempeh, which I then pop back in the oven for another few minutes. Now for the broth. I add my black garlic cloves to a blender, followed by more ginger, the soaked porcini mushrooms, then about 2 cups of vegetable stock and some plant-based milk. I blend that until it's all combined, then it's poured into a wok, brought to a boil, and used to cook my pak choi. To build the bowls, I mix some more miso with peanut butter, soy sauce, and chili oil. Then I pour in the rich black garlic broth, stirring as I go to create an even richer and creamier ramen broth. Finally, I add my cooked noodles, pak choi, tempeh, spring onion, and a drizzle of chili oil. Enjoy.